Last week, we talked about what makes part of an addition equation. We are adding two numbers here, and we used our fingers to help us. So the two numbers we are adding are called addends. Those are the two numbers we are adding together. So if we did 2 and if we did 4, you would hold up 2 fingers and 4 fingers, and then we would count all the fingers. Right now, it's telling us that it equals 6. Are there 6 fingers up? I think so. Let's count just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 does equal 6. And that answer is called who remembers what the answer to an addition problem is called? It's that word right there. Yes, Ephraim, what is the answer to an addition problem called?
Sum.
The sum. Yes, so we're always trying to find the sum. Good. Okay, friends, so do you guys see my blocks right here? Now we're going to be counting the blocks to make an equation. So here we're going to have a real sentence this time. This says, there are blah, 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 blah is the number we're looking for, purple cubes, and then there are blah, 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 green cubes. So who can tell me how many purple cubes there are? Mahira, can you tell me how many purple cubes there are here?
3.
3. How many green cubes are there?
2.
2. So what would be my addition equation, Mahira?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, that's the sum. So the two numbers we are adding are 3 plus
2
equals
5.
Nice job, Mahira. That's right. So this is our equation using our block. All right, over here. Oh, this is easy peasy. Varuksha, how many orange cubes are here? And you guys can also hold up your fingers too if you know what the equation would be. 1. How many blue cubes are here?
1.
1 again. What is my equation here, Varuksha? 1 plus
1 plus equals 1, 2.
2. Okay, good job. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's probably the easiest equation, right? Actually, no. I have an easier equation at the end. Let's try this one. I already see so many of my friends writing the equation in the chat. Shloka, can you tell me how many yellow cubes there are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Oh, but how many yellow cubes?
4.
Good. So we have 4 yellow cubes. How many purple cubes?
1.
Good. Okay, now we can make an equation. So what would be my equation here? Shloka, you can just tell me. I know you know what you're trying to write it, but what would be my equation? So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Good. Yes. So my friends, when I say the equation, try to say the whole equation. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Let's look at my purple and orange cubes here. Avzar, how many dark blue cubes are there?
1.
Correct. How many orange cubes are there?
3.
Also correct. What is my whole equation? What plus what equals what?
1, 3
Plus 3
equals 5.
5. Oh my goodness. Try again.
4.
Okay.
Got
1 plus 3 equals 4 is correct. All right, over here, I will ask. Oh, much better, Ashika. Ashika, why don't you help me with this one instead of writing it down? How many yellow blocks are here?
2. 1.
Oh, how many? Oh.
At first I said it and then I'm saying the second one.
Oh, okay. So what would we say? What color are those blocks?
1 is
One.
purple.
Okay, thank you. So what would be my entire equation? How would we say it?
1, 2, 3. 3.
The answer, how do we say the equation? 2 plus?
1 is 3.
There you go. 2 plus 1 is 3. Good. Let's try one more together. Let's go to Mahaksha. Can you tell me how many blue cubes are there?
2.
How many orange cubes are there?
2.
2 again. What is my whole equation? How do we say that equation?
4.
Well, how do we say it? 2 plus
2.
equals?
4.
There we go. What about this one? What do we think this one would be? Yes, Shastika, can you tell me how many purple cubes are there?
5.
There are 5. How many other cubes are there?
0.
0. Oh, she knew. Why is it 0, Shastika?
Because there's no more cubes.
Right, there's no more cubes. And the number for nothing is 0. And guess what, everyone? That means our equation would be 5 plus 0. And we don't even need to count. Anytime you add a 0 to a number, guess what it is? We just have 5. You guys remember this? Equal sign, 5 and 5 are the same. Since 0 is nothing, it is saying 5 and 5 are the same. Okay, friends. You guys want to write the 2 equations that you see here? Yes, go ahead and write those 2 equations. All right. Kritvik, can you tell me the equation of the top one? What is it?
1 plus 3 is 4.
Oh my gosh, what a pro. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Very good. Okay. Afreen, what is the second equation?
2 plus 3
2
1
plus what? Okay, 2 plus 1.
equals 3.
All right. Good job, everyone. Did you guys get this? All right, friends, are you ready for the last 2 equations? Okay, here it comes. The bonus one is down there. I didn't make a mistake. So if you know what this last equation is right there, you can figure that out. What would it be? It's a trick question. Mahira, can you tell me the answer to or can you tell me the equation for the green and the purple equation? What did you write?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Plus?
1
Equals?
blue.
Yeah, or purple. Yeah, blue, purple. What's the answer? 4 plus 1 is?
5.
Good. All right. Oh my goodness, you guys have figured out my trick question. Adia, what is the equation for this nothing down here?
0 plus 0 equals nothing. So just 0 comes back.
There is nothing here. So we have 0 blocks plus 0 blocks is 0 blocks again. Oh my gosh. Nice job, everyone.